Are you searching for toilet repair? If you own property in Ottawa, you appreciate the importance of good plumbing. Poor plumbing or plumbing problems like toilet malfunction can be a nightmare. Because of this, you must always make sure qualified professionals in your locality do your plumbing work. Complicated plumbing installations like toilets requires regular maintenance. It would help if you did not ignore any signs of malfunction in your toilet, as it can indicate a severe plumbing problem in the main sewer line. If you are experiencing problems with your toilet, contact Ottawa Plumber Service, and we will help you resolve the issues. Our toilet repair services include leaking toilet tanks, blocked or clogged, toilets that won't flush, running toilets, water pooling. You will be able to trust the friendly, skillful professionals at Ottawa Plumbing Service. Call our Ottawa plumbers today at 613-317-1682 or just email us.